What's up, family? How are you people? I hope you're doing good. So, I am back again with another new remote opportunity for you, and this job lead is brought to you by Indeed, and it's Concentrix Limited, and they need a customer service right away. So, let me just take you through the job details. And before you just continue, please, if you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel because I bring to you new remote opportunities every single day. So I will not want any of you to miss these opportunities. So let me just take you through the job details. This company is offering to pay 8.36 euro to 8.91 euros per hour, and it's a full-time job opportunity, and it's permanent, 100% remote. So if you're out there and I know that you're looking for these remote opportunities, this is the right job for you. And the number of people that they need for this role is 10 plus people, so you will be sure and that you can be able to get this opportunity. So the job description, I will just put the link in the description section down there so that you can go and check this opportunity out. And the responsibilities of this customer service advisor: you will be able to take inbound calls on behalf of a leading telecommunications provider. You will also assist customers with any technical problems or billing queries they may have. You'll also navigate through multiple systems while talking to the customer. You'll also sometimes have to deal with difficult or unhappy customer. So if you have like background experience in customer service, this is they can check this out, and you will also have to be great in communication and interpersonal skills. You should be attentive to customer needs and all that. So, what are you waiting for, guys? Go and apply right away, and all the best. Good luck.